Beach tennis is popular amongst many adults, but children are the future. So it's a good thing there's plenty of interest from the kids in this sport. Marika Boots is a professional beach tennis player who has designed classes for children of all ages. Kids as young as 4 years old to 18 can take lessons from Marika to build their skills within the beach tennis sport.
We start like around 4 years. For every kid is of course different, but we start really with basic, like throwing, catching, little games. So yeah, it will be like really basic, 4 or 5 years old. Yeah.
The goal is to help the little ones find their coordination. Once that is done, they can move forward in developing within the sport.
And then we start to do games with the rackets, and from there on we grow. We have like a program that they have 3 different diplomas, Diploma 1, 2 and 3. In Diploma 1 they start with basic, like throwing, catching. If they can do that, they go to Diploma 2 and they start to play with the racket. And so they move on till the teenager program.
Marika says the kids are catching on fast. Children and parents can see results and improvement within just a few weeks' time.
Going really good. You see really the improvement when they are coming 1 or 2 times a week. You see in 1 month really the improvement. Like today I showed the parents how they went forward like in only 1 month.
Being able to achieve certain diplomas, degrees, and levels within the beach tennis lessons helps to keep the kids interested in what they are doing. Being able to reach the next step is a goal that inspires the children to keep participating and growing within the sport.
With little things like the diploma, I think it's a really motivation for the kids. If they can, in the end, in a couple of months, they have a diploma, you know, they grow to the next court. Like this kind of thing, you motivate the kids really.
They are the future, so it is our job to develop them and ensure we have a strong tomorrow.
This is our future. I mean, we are a little bit old already, so in a couple of years we see the kids in the highest level in Aruba, and that's why we do it.
Children can even play competitively every Thursday at Tropicana's Beach Tennis Club. Go to www.beachtennisaruba.com for more information. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with a brand new edition of 15 on 15 tomorrow night right here on Channel 15 ATV. We'll see you then.